Okay, let us continue synthesis of sentences. Okay, now 2007, the rain will stop. Let us wait till then. The rain will stop. Let us wait till then. Okay, the rain will stop. Let us wait till then. Well, the answer will be let us wait till the rain stops. Okay, the answer is let us wait till the rain stops. Okay, let us wait till the rain stops. Okay. Well, now see, one thing you should remember, both these sentences are this sentence is in simple future, but we make it adverb clause of time with a simple present tense, with a verb in simple present tense. Anyway, next, he is not sincere, he is not honest. He is not sincere, he is not honest. Okay, he is not sincere, he is not honest. Okay, the answer will be he is, we are going to use neither nor. Okay, he is neither sincere nor honest. Okay, he is neither sincere, he is neither sincere nor honest. The answer will be he is neither sincere nor honest. The man created the trouble. He was arrested by the police. Okay, the man created the trouble. He was arrested by the police. Now we see in this particular case, this was quite distinct. Which was the earlier action? Creating the trouble was the earlier action, and arresting, being arrested by the police is the later action. But you see, you can also consider these two sentences having without any connection with the present. Okay, so we can use simple past tense in you see while combining the sentences. It can be the man had created the trouble. The man who had created the trouble was arrested by the police. This is correct. Or the man who created the trouble without had created was arrested by the police. This is also correct, because in such sentences if we use after or you see if we use after or before, if you find these words in a sentence, then you have to use you see the pair of sentences, a pair of verbs, past perfect tense and simple past tense. But here it's not that distant, so you can use simple past tense also. So the man who created or had created the trouble was arrested by the police. Okay. Got it? Was arrested by the police. Okay. Next one. The earth is round, we can prove it. The earth is round, we can prove it. The answer will be, we can prove that the earth is round. We can prove that the earth is round. The answer will be, we can prove that the earth is round. Okay. The next one. He was innocent. We wanted to prove it. The answer will be, we wanted to prove that he was innocent. Since you have your questions, okay, I'm just giving questions from your question bank. So question is already there. So I'm just telling you the answers. Okay. He was innocent. He wanted to prove it. Okay, he wanted to prove that he was innocent. The answer will be, he wanted to prove that he was innocent. He wanted to prove that he was innocent. Okay. Then he brought a news. The news was not true. He brought a news which was not true. Okay, he brought a news which was not true. He brought a news which was not true. Then, where does he live? Do you know it? Do you know where he lives? Not does. Okay. Do you know where he lives? Answer me. Do you know where he lives? Do you know where he lives? Do you know where he lives? Next one. He is innocent. Everybody says this. Okay. The answer will be, everybody says that he is innocent. We are using a that clause. Okay. He is. Everybody says that he is innocent. Okay. Everybody says that he is innocent. Okay. Everybody says that he is innocent. The businessman is a miser. Miser is a person who doesn't who doesn't like to spend his money. Okay. That is a miser actually. Okay. The businessman is a miser. He has donated generously today. So this is something contradictory. Okay. A person who doesn't like to spend money is donating something. So the answer will be, though the businessman is a miser, yet he has donated generously today. Okay, that is the answer. Though the businessman was a miser, yet he has donated generously today. He has donated generously today. Okay. Why are you so late? Tell me. Okay. Why are you so late? Tell me. The answer will be, tell me why you are so late. Tell me is an imperative sentence, so we are not using the question mark. Okay. I speak the truth. I'm not afraid of it. Okay. I am not afraid of speaking the truth. And thirdly, I am not afraid of speaking the truth. I am not afraid of speaking speaking the truth. Okay. I am not afraid of speaking the truth. Walk fast, you will miss the train. Okay? Walk fast or you will miss the train. You can combine it this way also. If you don't walk fast, you will miss the train. Anyway, so walk fast or you will miss the train. Okay, walk fast or you will. We are just making it a compound sentence. Okay, I have some duties. I must perform them. Okay. I must perform my duties. Okay, I must perform my duties. Okay. This is my friend. His name is John. Okay, you can say this is my friend, John. Okay. Or this is my friend whose name is John. Okay. So you can say this is my friend, John. Or this is my friend whose name is John. Okay. Then the bird was very small, it could not fly. Now we are asked to use you and to. The bird was very small, it could not fly. The bird was too small, T-O-O, too small to fly. Okay. The bird was too small to fly. The bird was too small to fly. Okay. We are using to. I have lost the pen. You gave it to me. Okay. I have lost the pen. You gave it to me. The answer is pen that you gave me. Okay. He is not intelligent, he is not brave. He is not intelligent. Okay, we have left it actually. He is not intelligent, he is not brave. So again we are using neither nor. He is neither intelligent nor brave. Okay. He is neither intelligent nor brave. Okay, he is neither intelligent nor brave. Health is very important. It must not be neglected. So we can combine this way. Health is very important, so it must not be neglected. Or anyway, health is very important, so it must not be neglected. Got it? Health is very important, so or we must not neglect health because it is very important. This way it is also possible. Anyway, the moon is round. It has been proved. It has been proved that moon is round. Okay, it has been proved. It has been proved that the moon is round. Okay, it has been proved that the moon is round. Man is mortal, everybody knows this. Everybody knows that man is mortal. Walk fast or you will miss the train. The boy is not brave, the boy is not intelligent, the boy is neither brave nor intelligent. The man created the trouble, the man was arrested, the man who created the trouble was arrested. The earth is round, we can prove it. We can prove that the earth is round. Where does he live? These are repeat questions actually. Where does he live? Do you know it? Do you know where he lives? Where has he gone? Do you know it? Do you know where he has gone? I finished the work. I finished the work. I was taking rest. Okay. I was taking rest. You see, this is the sentences, the verb are in different tenses. One is in simple past tense and the other is in past continuous tense. So that's why we can't make it a compound sentence. Got it? So having finished the work, we are using you can say participle. We are using a participle. Having finished the work, I was taking rest. Okay. So the answer will be having finished the work, I was taking rest. Or I was taking rest after I had finished the work. Anyway, the answer will be having finished the work, I was taking rest. Okay, so or some other, I'm just telling you some other, I'm telling you additional important questions. He was poor, he was honest. Okay, though he was poor, he was honest. Speak the truth, then I shall pardon you. If you speak the truth, okay, I shall pardon you. Okay, you have to omit 10. Okay, Hunter looked over the rock. He saw the man-eater. Okay, having looking over the rock, the hunter saw the man-eater. Looking over the rock, the hunter saw the man-eater. The baby walked, the mother walked along. Okay, the baby as well as the mother was walking along. They live in a village, it is 6 miles away. They live in a village which is 6 miles away. The box is very heavy, I cannot lift it. The box is very heavy for me to lift it. Okay. He tried hard, he failed in the examination. Though he tried hard, he failed in the examination. A man was running away. We saw the man. We saw the man running away. Okay, or we saw the man who was running away. He will pass. There is no doubt about it. Okay, there is no doubt that he will pass. You were ill, I didn't know it. I didn't know that you were ill. Okay, let's stop today, here today, and we'll get time. If we get time, we'll again continue, you see, explaining combination of sentences, and let's go to another topic in the next class, and hopefully very soon, okay, in a month or so, our school will reopen, so then we will again revise whatever we have done in online classes. Okay, anyway,